Hi guys, and today we are going to be trying out a slime recipe from Willet Slime. I really want to see if this works because I saw it and then I was like, I have all that stuff. So let's see if this really works. I opened them already and it was very hard. I was originally doing it on camera and then I realized that this wasn't going to work, so I had to do it off camera. And it's very easy. All you have to do is squeeze some of this out. Okay, that's good. Just have that. Because I'm not making a lot. Don't judge the cup. I have to just add some water. And then we're going to add some glue. Not going to add that much. Okay, and then you mix. Let's see, will this work? Okay, have a headset. So, let's see, will it work? Nope, it's just glue, face mask, and water. Comment down below if I should do more of these testing out slime video things, because this was a fail.